Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Instagram notification not showing problem. If you are using Instagram and you're facing the issue that your Instagram notifications are not showing, so let's see some possible fixes. So the first way is that you just have to try to update your Instagram. So you have to simply open your App Store or Play Store, and here you have to go for search, and you have to simply search for Instagram, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending update for your Instagram app. If you find any pending update like that, you just have to try to update your Instagram app. And after updating, you have to check if your issue is fixed or not, or if it's still not fixed. So you have to try to update your system software. So open your settings here, go for general here, go for software update, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending software updates. Or if you find any pending updates, try to update your software. After that, go back from here and you have to check if your issue is fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, you have to also check your VPN connection, that your VPN is not connected, or if you're connected, try to disconnect with that, then go for day and time and enable this toggle to set your date and time automatically. And after doing that, go back. It might be your issue will be fixed. Or if it's still not fixed, go for apps section, or you can also go for your notification section. But I'm going to select the app section here, and here you have to look for Instagram app, and you have to enable these toggles. This one is compulsory, which is background app refresh. When you have enabled this toggle, it will allow your app run in background, and after doing that, go for notification section, and here you have to enable this toggle to enable notification for your Instagram app. If you find this disabled, you just have to enable this, and after enabling that, you have to also enable all of these toggles, this time sensitive notification, and also these toggles, and you must have to enable all of these. So once you have enabled, your issue will be fixed. Or in some cases, if you are still facing the same issue that your Instagram notifications are not showing or are missing, so there's the only way. You have to go for your apps or your phone settings here, and you have to go for general, go for iPhone storage, and look for Instagram app. If you're on Android, so you have to go for app info of Instagram app, and here you have to look for clear cache or clear storage option. So you must have